Corbeau. Oh, let me
get that, dude.
You know, the story on this. So Bobby for the season wanted to borrow my Corbeau, and he had it like the whole season. And then before I moved out of the shop, I asked for it back, and he basically was like, "Yo, dude, I just bought a brand new one. It's at Jimmy's shop. Like, just throw that in for now, and we'll deal with it later." Like, and I hit him up. He's just like, "Yeah, man, I like yours better. It's more comfortable because I made it all nice and fucking stretched out and homey for him." Yeah,
homey for him.
He's just like, "Yeah, yo, just keep the new one." I was like, "All right, dude."
So we need to check some fuses on this thing because
this thing does not like protect from the water at all. Yo, this seat's soaked, bro.
Yeah, that's what we're doing. We're doing S14 things today. Excuse my demeanor. I'm friggin' just woke up. Fucking dealing with bees all night. We got this thing from the shop last night, so we're good for the friggin' rain if it rains. Now we have to do all their errands. Look at this BMW 1 Series.
No, come on, dude. My parents watch your video.
Alright, we're out here in Nestor, Virginia. Damn, look at them power lines, dude.
Dude, this doesn't look like Connecticut. That's some funny shit.
Yeah, we're in Nestor, Virginia.
Look at these real rocks.
Yeah, these are good.
Looks like we're at an amusement park.
You're doing good, New Milford. Doing mint. Oh. So where are we going?
Oh, now you want to know where we're going? All right. So right now we're heading to New Milford. We're heading to Savannah's shop. She has a pair of Z32 wheels that she's giving me. Shout out to Savannah. That I'm gonna put on my car for when I sell it, because I only have 2.
Yeah. So if the guy's like, yeah, we don't want the whole wheels.
Yeah, I'm trying to sell the, like, he said he wanted the CR Kais. So you know what? I bumped the freaking price up like crazy.
Which CR Kais? The CR Kais or the CR Lies?
The CR Kais, not the CR wheels. Yeah.
You have CR Lies on it right now, right?
Yeah, I gotta take those off. I'm keeping the.
I like how you have the real ones in the back.
I know. I'm keeping. I'm keeping the CR Lies, but I'm getting rid of the CR Kais.
Fucked.
Oh wait.
Are they these right here?
There's one wheel, dude.
Oh, there's that one. Oh, okay.
Isn't this Brickyard or whatever?
It looks like the Brickyard car that comes on Z's.
Yo.
But they might all be
leather.
Leather with no cracks. No cracks on the dash. This should get hooked up by Roger.
S14 tails aren't faded. JDM bumper. I'm so jealous, bro, of her car.
Don's car. Whose fucking Z is this? Watch out for the Z32 parts and jack stands. Look at it.
Ow!
I told you, that's why I said they're unforgiving.
Yeah, they are.
Parts car. I wonder how much homeboy wants for the friggin' hatch.
Oh, this car,
dude. Someone sell Don a kookie. Not that he doesn't already have one.
Oh, no, seriously.
Someone actually sell Don a kookie. I don't think any of my guys have a kookie around here for sale. Shout out to the dude Vinny that we just talked to. Some guy dumped that Z on him. I just told him to friggin' file an ABA and it's his. About to make a friggin' drift car. So now back to Danbury and then what?
Then my house.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
Amen. Alright, so battery, check fuses, see if it starts. If it doesn't start, check more fuses. If that doesn't start, get a screwdriver. Don's keeping this.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, we gotta vacuum this thing, dude.
You got a vacuum?
Yeah, you got nothing. You got nothing whatsoever.
Yeah, what the hell?
It's like your accessory fuse is fucked. Your gauge isn't turned on either. Your boost gauge. Alright, so the ignition.
Fuck, dude.
Yeah, you need to chill out, dude. Oh, now you gotta go all the way in there. You gotta do the face, dude. You gotta do the fucking angry face from last time.
Yeah, that's popped.
Hold on, let me see that. Let me gander up in there.
What the hell? What is this?
It's like It's a relay. It's like a fuse relay. It's more of a fuse than a relay. It just kind of looks like a relay. But yeah, we gotta go to AutoZone and get that then. All right, go in the car. We're gonna test it out.
What?
We're gonna test it out. Just
Test
go.
what?
Make sure that it's the fuse, so we don't need to go get anything else while we're there, you know? Expert diagnosing guy, just try to start it. So we need a fuse. Well, Don's getting help.
Grandma went to the doctor. I saw that.
Dude, a bee hit me right in the face, dude. Alright. Don's officially first customer of Damian's Canopy Rentals. Service charge is free. He's stuck with this thing for at least a week. Dude's sweating and crying.
I gotta remember to take my Ducatis out.
Ducatis? Ducati means penis in Albanian.
$3.99.
That's a great price.
Yep.
There goes, new ones in there.
Now we gotta do 15 and 15.
So now, just gotta put these two intake things on so the guy can test drive it.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna coat the back of this because this shit is dusty as fuck. All the white shit. All of that white shit is that cleaner slash beauty thing. Yeah, look, that looks way better. Oh, you gotta vacuum with that thing up there.
Yeah, I know. I saw.
It's all fucked. This is what the interior looks like now. And that's definitely a lot better than before, because before it was super dirty, super dusty. Now that it is clean and presentable, I think it's in selling condition, or at least condition good enough for someone to look at and you not be embarrassed. So yeah, now it's mint. Yeah, I know. Matt fucking backfires, yo.
Runs and drives, baby.
She still, you know, gets up and goes.
Yeah.
Kinda. I wasn't expecting like it to be that good without the or with that giant leak, because that leaks right before the turbo. It's literally like the gasket, or the turbo's just loose. But she's still mint. Backfire's loud as fuck. I don't remember it being that loud. That's like when it was a KA.
Let me clip those zip ties, dude.
The zip ties? Oh my god. Is that what I was hearing driving down the road?
Probably.
It sounded like something. Oh yeah, on the back wheel too. We forgot we had to friggin' change the wheels. If anyone's wondering why that's like that, it's because the other intercooler got duffed when the front end got duffed, so you had to switch to this one. Alright, dude. There it is. Or there it goes, I should say.
All blues, yo. Some old bills, but
there's like a couple 10s in there. But what do you think about the price?
it's funny because like I sold the car. Honestly, I got it, or I personally wanted less for it, but I was pretty strict on the price. So I wanted it for 45.
You put it up for 48 OBO.
No, I put it up for 45 OBO.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, and
so he only lowballed you too.
And he said he wanted the wheels, but he thought he was getting the white wheels, and I'm not giving him the white wheels
because they have the good tires on them.
And I told him if I give him the set of my works, I'll take 58. And we kind of agreed on that, but he was confused. He thought he was getting the white wheels, which doesn't make sense because those are CRLIs.
Yeah, these are the real ones. He thought he was getting the fake ones. So he was like, I like those, but the real ones.
I got 43 for it.
$4,300, dude. So I guess now it's put those other 2 wheels on it. Yep. And we're gonna end up
pushing
going to Lava, going to get shit, going to fucking Harbor Freight, and then you're probably gonna sit at the shop, smoke hookah, and look up S13s and S14s.
Go to the Gucci store real quick. You know,
this dude almost, he's like, yo, you want to shoot the chain? He had it. What was it?
Yeah, he had one of the Supreme like money guns. He's like, yo, you want a picture? He had 2 of them. He was like, yo, you want to take a picture with like the money real quick? I was like,
he had the friggin' the man purse, the red man purse.
He had Supreme shit. Like he was trying to sell. Like
he just pulled up with Matt Supreme, yo. He sold his Maserati to CarMax and came and bought Don's S14. That's the fucking most like. What are the odds? Like that's just like it was meant to be, dude. I don't know. But I mean, shit's sold. He doesn't even want the seat. He literally just wants a stock S14 seat. So if anyone wants to buy this seat from Don, let us know. Holy shit, this dude fucking. Like this video if you get in your friend's Audis and you try to shut the door and it's dumb loud because the doors are stupid light. I think it's a combination of the doors being mad light and the freaking. It's like
the guy in the car. I was like, damn, dude, you slammed my door, yo. Like,
nah, dude, like I just close it like any other door, like my Subi or whatever. I think it's a combination of that and the way that the hinges are, because like they're freaking real notchy. So when you shove them past the, yo, can you? All right, well, we're leaving here and we're going to dealership in Watertown that our friend Jake works at because Travis's car is there, and Travis still has Donovan's front seat in his car. So the guy who we got the car for, or the guy who bought Don's car, literally said he doesn't care what seat we put in it. He just wants it to recline and be flat so he could fit in it because he's a big dude. So like, yeah. But he told Don he can keep the Corbeau, which is mint because, you know, that's extra money right there.
And I forgot, I didn't know what happened to my stock driver S14C. I had it at the shop forever. I forgot I let Travis borrow it.
Because when Travis got his car, it had no seats in it. But that's what we're going to go do. I'm not going to film that because it's dark. But, yeah, I'm just going to end it here. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Let me know if you want to buy Don's Corbeau. And,
$200, OBO.
$200. $200. Isn't it literally brand new?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's literally brand new. So, yeah, let us know. Peace out.